Want to connect with friends and family instantly on Viber? Learn how to easily send a text and start a conversation. Sending a text message on Viber is the primary way to communicate on the platform. It's designed to be intuitive and quick, similar to other popular messaging apps. So, from the Viber app, you'll first need to have a contact saved. Tap on the contact you want to text. If you can't see any, tap on this button here and select the contact you want to text. In the menu that opens up, there's a bar by the bottom labeled Message. Tap on it. You will then be able to type out the message you want to send. Once you're done typing out a message, tap on the Send button. You'll also have the feature to edit a message after you've sent it by holding it down, in case you end up being near typos. But anyways, that's more or less it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!